how to add a payment method on Taobao app. So if you want to add a payment method on Taobao app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Taobao application. After opening, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now once you've logged in, like for example, I'll just simply go and select a bag right here. So tap on it. Go with buy, which will be in the bottom right. And again, go with buy now, which will be on the bottom. After that, just simply go with pay now, which will be again on the bottom right. And now you need to add your delivery address. After adding your delivery address, it will ask you to add your payment method. So first enter the delivery address, or you can just simply go back and then go with your account, which will be on the bottom right. Once you're on your account, you need to go with settings, which will be on the top right. Once you're on your settings, you need to go with the payment settings. Under payment settings, you need to just simply tap on payment method. After that, go with add credit or debit card and then add your payment method. You need to enter your card number, your name on the card, your expiry date, and then go with bind now. And once you've bind your payment method, or once you've added your credit or your debit card, you'll be able to buy anything on Taobao. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.